Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Ford Focus RS, a car that continues to redefine what a modern hot hatch should be. The latest generation takes everything fans loved about the RS lineage and pushes it into a new era of bold styling, advanced engineering, and everyday usability blended with serious performance. The moment you see the 2026 model, it's clear that Ford wanted to make a statement. The exterior is more sculpted than before, with sharper lines, a wider stance, and aerodynamic elements that don't just look aggressive, but actually enhance stability at high speeds. The redesigned front fascia features a more pronounced grille and sleeker LED headlights that contribute to its confident attitude, while the rear showcases a functional diffuser, large dual exhaust outlets, and an RS-exclusive spoiler that gives the car its unmistakable identity. Under the hood, the 2026 Focus RS continues its performance-first philosophy. Ford has equipped it with a turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine tuned to deliver even more horsepower and torque than the previous generation, giving the car blistering acceleration and thrilling mid-range power. Paired with an upgraded all-wheel drive system featuring enhanced torque vectoring, the RS offers razor-sharp handling, improved cornering grip, and a driving feel that stays planted even during aggressive maneuvers. Ford has refined the suspension setup as well, offering a balanced blend of track-ready responsiveness and everyday comfort. Whether you're carving through twisty roads or cruising through the city, the RS feels lively, engaging, and confidently capable. Inside the 2026 Focus RS, Ford has elevated both comfort and technology. The cabin feels more premium than ever, featuring supportive RS-branded sports seats, soft-touch materials, and a driver-focused layout that keeps everything within easy reach. A large digital instrument cluster displays customizable performance data, while the updated infotainment system supports wireless connectivity, navigation, and an intuitive interface that makes it easy to stay connected on the go. Ambient lighting adds a modern touch, giving the interior a clean and performance-oriented vibe that matches the RS personality. The 2026 RS also brings several unique features that set it apart from previous models and competitors. Ford has introduced a customizable drive mode system that lets drivers fine-tune throttle response, steering weight, and suspension stiffness. There's also a new performance telemetry suite, allowing enthusiasts to analyze lap times, G-forces, and other metrics directly from the infotainment screen. Enhanced cooling systems help the RS maintain peak performance during spirited driving, while additional chassis reinforcements provide improved rigidity and stability. These upgrades collectively make the 2026 Focus RS not just quicker, but smarter and more adaptable than ever. With its combination of aggressive styling, thrilling performance, premium interior, and advanced features, the 2026 Ford Focus RS stands out as a true evolution of the hot hatch formula. Whether you're drawn to its motorsport-inspired engineering, its daily drivability, or its unmistakable personality on the road, the latest Focus RS proves that Ford still knows how to build a performance icon with real character. Outro thanks for watching.